Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear Falconians of level 6. Here is your science teacher, Miss Sayyida Sarish Ehsan from Falcon House Grammar School, Campus 9. So, my dear students, this is a video which I am sharing with you is for your assignment. It will be helpful for you to solve your assignment. So, please listen to me carefully. Okay, here is the assignment questions of general science present in front of you on your screen. In question number 1, they are asking that explain the difference between series and parallel circuit. Also elaborate the following terms. So, my dear students, as we already done this chapter of changing circuit and we know the difference between the series circuit and the parallel circuit very well. So here we have to write down the difference between the series circuit and the parallel circuit. That what is the arrangement. First of all, we have to mention what is the arrangement of the series circuit and what is the arrangement of the parallel circuit, how the current is flowing in the series circuit, how the current is flowing in the parallel circuit, and then which circuit is present in our home, in our school, in offices, and which circuit is present in those advertisement boards or the decoration lights, right? So these are the points which you have to mention in the when you are writing the difference between the series circuit and the parallel circuit. Secondly, you have to elaborate the following terms, that is switch. You have to elaborate switch, what is switch, how it is work, what is the importance of the switch in the circuit. Second one is symbols of all the components of the electric circuit. You have to elaborate them. And then third one is electric current. You have to elaborate that what is electric current, how it works, and what is the importance of the electric current. You got 4 marks for this question, right? Then question number 2, define force with its unit. You are just going to simply give the definition of the force and you will going to write the unit of the force. Then second part of this question is also write down the effects of forces. What are the effects of forces? As we all know that there are major 2 types of forces. One is the pulling force and second one is the pushing force. These are the major 2 types. Every force is working on pushing any object or on pulling any object. Other forces, other names are just taken or are just given to them for differentiate between, like we say that the earth is applying is the gravitational force, but basically earth is applying the force of pulling. But because we have to differentiate about the force of earth, so that's why we gave the name that it's a gravitational force. Similarly, the friction force, it's a name, the friction force, to differentiate it, while it is also doing the pushing methodology. It is applying the pushing methodology. Similarly, air resistance, air is also pushing the object upward against the gravitational force, but if we say there's push and pull, so we cannot differentiate between the forces. That's why we gave the name it to air resistance. So there are different types of forces which are working around us and they have different effects in our daily routine life. So this is what we have to do. Okay, we have to write down the effects of forces also in this question. Now question number 3, it's a very simple question. There are some symbols present on your screen in front of you. Label the following symbols and make a circuit diagram using these symbols. First of all, you have to write down the names of these symbols. Okay, what are the names of these symbols, what these symbols are indicating, and then with the help of these symbols you are going to make a circuit diagram. Okay, so it's a very easy question. All of these 3 questions you can easily do it properly in a neat and tidy writing, in a proper way with the proper headings. Don't do it in a rough way, because you will get marks of these assignments and these marks will going to be adjusted in your final term exam. So be careful about solving these assignments. Thank you, students.